Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to understand MARPOL, the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. We'll go through each annex, its purpose, discharge criteria, and the special areas where stricter rules apply. Let's begin. MARPOL has 6 main annexes, each controlling a specific type of pollution. Here's a quick breakdown. Annex 1 deals with oil pollution. Annex 2 controls noxious liquid substances, or NLS, carried in bulk. Annex 3 covers harmful substances in packaged form. Annex 4 relates to sewage pollution. Annex 5 is about garbage pollution. And Annex 6 focuses on air pollution from ships. Annex 1 prevents pollution by oil. Here are the discharge rules. Outside special areas, discharge is allowed only if the ship is proceeding en route. The oil content is less than 15 parts per million. It's processed through an approved oil filtering or separating equipment, and it's not mixed with cargo residues. Inside special areas, discharge of oil or oily mixtures is almost completely prohibited. Examples of special areas include the Mediterranean Sea, Baltic Sea, Black Sea, Red Sea, and the Antarctic area. Annex 2 deals with chemical cargoes, called noxious liquid substances, or NLS. They're classified into categories: Category X, highly polluting; Category Y, medium; and Category Z, less harmful. The discharge of these substances depends on their category. Category X discharge is completely prohibited, while Y and Z have controlled discharge requirements. And remember, the Antarctic area is a special area for Annex 2. No discharge allowed there at all. Annex 3 controls pollution from packaged cargo, like drums, boxes, or containers containing harmful substances. The rule is simple. Jettisoning these substances into the sea is prohibited unless it's necessary to save the ship or lives. Proper labeling, documentation, and stowage are mandatory. Annex 4 prevents pollution by sewage. Discharge of untreated sewage is not allowed. Only treated sewage from an approved plant may be discharged, and only when the ship is en route and the effluent causes no visible solids or discoloration. For passenger ships, stricter rules apply, especially in special areas like the Baltic Sea. Annex 5 is about garbage from ships. All garbage discharge is prohibited except a few specific cases. For example, food waste can be discharged beyond 3 nautical miles from land if comminuted, and 12 nautical miles if not. In special areas, the rules are even stricter. Most discharges are banned, and even food waste must be comminuted and discharged 12 nautical miles away from land. Common special areas under Annex 5 include the Mediterranean Sea, Baltic Sea, Black Sea, North Sea, Red Sea, and the wider Caribbean region. Annex 6 deals with air emissions from ships. It sets limits on sulfur content in fuel and controls nitrogen oxides, or NOx. There are emission control areas, called ECAs, where stricter limits apply. These include the Baltic Sea, North Sea, North American ECA, and US Caribbean ECA. Ships in these zones must use low sulfur fuel or have exhaust gas cleaning systems, and engines must comply with NOx tier standards. Let's recap the special areas under MARPOL. Annex 1, oil. Mediterranean, Baltic, Black, Red, Gulfs area, Gulf of Aden, Antarctic, Oman area, and southern South African waters. Annex 2, NLS, Antarctic area. Annex 4, sewage, Baltic Sea. Annex 5, garbage, Mediterranean, Baltic, Black, Red, Gulfs area, North Sea, Antarctic, and wider Caribbean. Annex 6, air, ECAs, Baltic, North Sea, North American, and US Caribbean. So that's MARPOL, 6 annexes, each protecting our oceans and air from different kinds of pollution. When at sea, always remember the 3 golden rules. Keep records accurate, know your special area limits, and always treat before discharge. Follow these, and your ship stays clean and compliant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more marine safety explainers.